Hi, what I'm doing here is painting the radio chassis cover. I have forgot to do this, and it's kind of like stupid of me. I had put this in a cabinet, and I just realized yesterday that I didn't do it. I didn't actually clean the rust off or anything. So yesterday was a good day, and I used the navel jelly to clean it, and you can see that already. This is about less than 24 hours and it's already starting to rust again. You can see the rust here starting to come back real light. So I just started doing the rust preventive treatment with the product that I've been using, the Rust-Oleum product for heavily rusted metal. Well, this is not really heavily rusted anymore, but it doesn't say you can't use it on bare metal, so that's what I'm using it on. And I'm using a regular brush, regular hair bristle brush here, and I tried using the foam brush, and the foam brush works pretty good, but I think because the product here is so heavy, it's pretty thick. So watch, it's pretty thick product, and I think the regular brush kind of holds it better. So here I am. I'm just doing this. Oh, by the way, it's probably important to do this. I've got a mask here, and you should probably use a mask. And you can probably see I got two sets of eyes here because I needed to see. And oh yeah, just want to mention I got a fan running here, and swinging over here I got a space heater kind of running here. So I'm getting a little bit like a airflow, because you don't want to breathe this stuff like hang. You don't want to like stand over it, and my nose is right over this thing, and you don't want to breathe this stuff in. But just take nice even strokes and put it on nice and mellow, just like the guy on TV. What's his name? Bob. I think his name is Bob. He used to be on public TV. Just do it nice and easy, and it's good. You know, it works out good. So anyway, I just wanted to show that. And here's the chassis. I started giving this like another coat because I missed some spots. So as soon as I finish doing this, I'm going to jump back on this and kind of paint here where I missed some of the spots. So anyway, have a great day, guys, ladies and gentlemen. Take it easy. Bye.